Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of rebuilding this door for the 57 Chevy 210 for Route 66 restoration. I have a line that I previously drew on here that I'm going to extend for the door to fit under this. This has got a flange down to here, so I'm going to try to slide this flange up underneath here, and then this flange up under this section. So I have to mark it, and so I'm going to do that now. And it's this will be the one that I use to get my 5/8 measurement for that flange depth. So I'm here with that, and so now I got to pull this up out of here again, and I'm trying to put the flange under where it's to go under, and by doing so give me a little bit more area to put filler or put weld. It's all relevant to what you're doing. And so now I need a straight edge. I set my straight edge down here while I dropped it. There we go. Alright. Tape measure. So, like I say, I measure from 1 inch mark, get my 5/8, and I reach there, and 1 inch here, IH. Bye.
I want some of the both on Monday. I didn't get any of the last one, so.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you.
Daddy.
That's my daughter. She's just saying goodbye.
Bye.
Come out for a visit. So, have a blessed one, Yolandi.
You too.
So here we go. Mark this. Five eighths. There we go. So now we'll see what we can cut here. Get this project going. So this lip here is in pretty bad shape, so I'm going to actually probably cut it back a ways where I don't need to. I got that up here, clearance. I don't know how many times in my life I've grabbed the little things like that with my fingers and instantly regretted it. So, alright. And so I think I'm going to split it right here too. So, on the corner. Just to get it a little more clear. There we go. Now let's see if we can see if we can get this fit here. And okay. So okay. All right. So let's get her under here. As what some of the guys said, other guys said that one side fit fairly well, the other side not so much. So you can see that this is against the skin here. Well, maybe you can't. I'll bring you around here. Try not to drop you. As you can see, this is not tight. So even though it's flanged, it's not fitting that well. And that's what some of the other guys said, that these panels do not fit. The radiuses don't match. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of work to get this to fit. But now the flange is there. She's up against the skin. It's along the skin here on the bottom. Can go in a little bit here, possibly. But I think all in all, she looks pretty good, if you ask me. So just got to get her down into position. I'll cut this a little bit on the Fitzy method here, and I think we got her test fitted. So, well, this is part 3 of restoring the door. I think I'm going to leave you guys here. Have a good one.